Hello everyone, a very warm day to you. I hope your day has been going great. I remain your humble host, Becky Osoro. It's a time of the show where we bring to you trending political topics. Today we'll be giving you a recap of the just concluded local government election held in Rivers State. With me, it's a very regular guest with me here in the studio. He is a political analyst by name Kings Ojalo. It's a pleasure to have you here in the studio.
Thank you very much, Becky.
You look amazing.
Thank you.
As usual.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Let's just go straight to, let's give a refresh of this just concluded election held in Rivers State. Yes. So there's a statement made by the tough African Jake Ekpa saying something that we saw the results before election. Like, what's your take on that?
Actually, on that aspect, right, it's, he has no evidence or proof, but I think it kind of shows we are not really practicing democracy, because if it's true, why will someone say we actually saw the results before the election? Meaning there's something behind which we don't know, which we don't have proof.
Yeah,
there's
exactly.
something behind, because from the discussion up and down and every other thing concerning the
because of the way we all saw the election.
So someone would want to say, okay, I think what this man is saying is true.
Okay.
Because from my observation, I feel probably it's true, because he said it has already been before the election that the results was already out. So that is, there might be something behind, definitely. Openly, let me not use the word openly, that there's something behind this election, which he might not, because he used the word they said, you understand, which he doesn't have proof about. So
will you say the election was free and fair election, the one that was held in Rivers State?
Although it was free and fair, because from my observation there was no chaos, there was no trouble here and there. Yeah, so I think it's a free and fair election. Okay,
what's your take on Simon Ekpa's 6 years jail term verdict in Finland? You know, this story about the IPOP has really been terrible.
Yes, I came across the news headline, so I actually give kudos to the Finland courts and security authorities who did that, because how will you be in another man's land and start creating agitation for a nation that you are not even, you are not even in their midst to help them, do that which you are ordering them.
Exactly.
Being in a strange country or in a far country, giving orders, and these orders has been causing chaos in your own country. Okay, fine, you want, and you are agitating for a new nation, IPOP, Biafra rather, and you are in another country through social media giving commands, orders, which is really causing misunderstanding, and you are not even addressing it to the people properly, how they should go about it. So I think is a really I give kudos to the Finland authorities who has done that. That's true.
Okay, can you emphasize more on President Bola Tinubu approving acquisition for more drones to combat bandits in northern Nigeria? Regarding of what's happening in northern states, like daily.
Yes, I think though it's kind of a welcome development, because it shows that kind of the president is trying to, is really proving that he's trying to really put an end to bandits in this country. Now, if you look at the recent news of the former governor of Kano State, Erufai, accusing the federal government of sponsoring bandits in the country, make that they were the one behind these killings and all that, by giving bandits support. So the president now is, letting him know that, look, should I let me not say letting him know, but he's trying to let people know that he is against bandits. He is trying to put a stop to bandits. That is why he has brought this kill accusation, making it an opportunity for everyone to, have idea on how to create this drone of a thing, so that it will be able to, stop bandits in Nigeria.
Just a minute. Let's go for a short break. We'll be right back. Welcome back to the show. With me here still in the studio is a political analyst by name Kings Ojalo. Okay, sir. So we're saying something about the acquisition of more drones by President Bola Tinubu to combat banditry in northern Nigeria.
Yes, I also have more things to say concerning that. You know, bringing this system to the country, I think, like I said, is a welcome development.
Yeah.
Now, gone are the days where countries rely on you know, guns, rely on armored cars. You know, I'm not saying countries don't use that.
Yeah.
But it's not, if you check out countries overseas, don't really rely on these weapons to fight terrorism, to fight opposition countries or stuff like that.
Okay.
You know, countries now rely on these so-called drones, you know, like let me use South Africa for example.
Okay.
Let me use even South Africa is even in a higher grade country. Let me use countries like Ghana.
Okay.
Yeah, they have weapons like this that help them fight, you know, terrorism and otherwise. So I think it's something that should have been, you know, that should have been done long time ago. But the current president now doing it, introducing it, or bringing this system
not a bad idea
is not a bad idea. I think it's a really welcome development. So I also urge everyone, youth most especially, to really partake in these acquisitions so that it will really you know,
reduce the whole
chaos happening in Nigeria.
Okay. Regarding the inauguration in Abuja held by PDP Convention Organizing Committee, what's your take on PDP drawing battle line with Wike's camp on the 6 demands?
Initially, when I saw that headline, to be honest, I never knew that camps could be created in a political party. Honestly, like I was like, how can a camp be created in one political party?
Yeah,
you understand? It's not. I don't think this is at first. That is. Should I use the word that is wrong? It's not done. Okay, now it has happened. Now, what I urge the party to do is whatever they are doing, they should do it appropriately to bring back the mandate of PDP. Okay, now let me use some countries like the US where they have the Republicans and stuff like that. You won't hear such a thing whereby in a political party camps are being created by so and so group individuals group. I don't think that is really a good idea. So my take on this, it's whatever they are doing, the convention, to make this their convention successfully, they should do it, because currently now PDP is not in a unity form like how we used to know PDP. Exactly. Before. The PDP I know, you understand, run their things appropriately. But now PDP is now in another dimension that the country can't understand anymore. What's really happening inside? You understand? It now looks as if, you know, there is an agent inside that party who is trying to bring it down, who is trying to destroy it, because they know that, you know, they are the opposition party rather knows that they are the only party that could stand them. So I think there is something wrong happening to PDP that you know, that's making it look dramatic. So from whatever they are doing, they should do it appropriately to make them regain their stand once more as PDP we usually know. So what's your advice to the FCT minister to come together in unity, or like the group that they are forming is really unnecessary? My advice to the FCT minister, whatever is trying to paint against PDP or whatever is doing against PDP, I think he should put an end to it and, you know, come together as one, as you understand, as he is usually. So rather than, you know, trying to form a camp, or rather than a group, forming a group rather, still inside selecting the party. some personnel, some individuals, and to me it will really bring chaos. There will be no peace. True. You know, with that kind of a system in that party. So from my own advice to the FCT minister, I think he should put an end to all this creating camp, creating groups, and they should all come together, look for those things that are lacking, look for those lapses, and cover it, so that there will be unity in that party for them to be able to be successful in whatever race they are running, politically and otherwise. My own is that what's really his
idea? What does he really want to gain out of forming the group inside a party?
To me, I don't see anything with this method is portraying. I don't see anything positive from it.
Okay.
Rather, it will crash the party totally. Let's be honest. It will crash the party totally, because you creating a camp, that one alone has made, it has already started, making the party look unreliable anymore. So those the citizens or the people of Nigeria who are really depending on this party will not have the determination to support the party anymore. You understand? So whatever the FCT minister is trying to do is not going to bring a positive result if it doesn't put an end to this so-called campaign and join other allies to and join other individuals in that party to to grow it, to cover lapses for the party to stand once more, as PDP we usually know.
Okay. Just to wrap up the segment, still on the convention organizing committee, there's a statement made by former PDP national chairman, stated that Simon Wike was acting on behalf of President Bola Tinubu with the aim of destabilizing the party. Yeah,
just as we just discussed concerning the convention or whatever. Now, to me, I feel the former PDP chairman, to me, I feel is right. If you just really want to look at the whole picture, it seems what he's saying is absolutely right, because, the FCT minister seems to be in, he doesn't has a present stand right now. He doesn't have a present stand right now. So, from the look of things, we want to go with him. We want to support him that, look, what this man is saying is truth. You understand? Because the purpose, we don't even know the purpose of the FCT minister in that party.
At the moment.
If he's with the party, if he's trying to be, okay.
Or the opposition party.
Sorry to take you back. I think, was it a headline I saw whereby he made mention of him that he has full support of the president. Okay. I'm not saying it's wrong.
Okay.
Yes, but I haven't seen a situation. It's only in Nigeria that such this kind of an occurrence can happen, whereby an opposition member is, supporting another political party running or winning an election. Yeah, you are in PDP, and you are saying that you are fully behind the president who is in APC. Please, where is that done? This is my first. In fact, the whole thing looks like it looks like a movie. It looks like a drama.
That's politics for you.
So definitely, from what the former PDP chairman stated, I think he's fully right. Okay. I'm not in support of what he's saying, but to me, he's right. You understand? Okay. Because you can't be in a party and still supporting another political party for them to, okay, are you trying to say that this political party you are into, the PDP party, they don't have an individual running for the presidential run into coming 2027? Is that what you're trying to say? Are you trying to mock your own party?
There's an aim for every move.
I don't know if you understand me. So from what the former PDP chairman is stating, I think from what he's saying is absolutely true. He's trying, because from the look of things, he's trying to do all manner of things to crash, to bring that the party, because the All Progressive Party know that PDP are the only party currently in Nigeria that can really, pull down their agenda. True. I don't know if you understand. So from my own take, I think what he's saying is really true. Because if it is not true, Simon Wike is supposed to stand with PDP in whatever they do. In any race they are running, he's supposed to be with them and make sure that they are successful on achieving their goals, rather than standing with this one, standing with the other one, and making it look confusing, making the citizens look should I use the word, making them look as if they don't know what to do. I don't know how to use it. Making them look as if they don't, they making the nation confused. You understand? Because the whole thing is confusing. If I really want to say it,
such thing has not really occurred at all in any political
The man is just bringing new dramas. He's bringing new things, which is making people looks as if the country don't have a say on their own. We can't really, So from my own observation and from my own say on that, I think what the former chairman of that party says is truth.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you
it's
very
a pleasure
much.
to have you here in the studio.
Thank you
we
very
hope
much,
to see you
Becky.
once again. That's our show for today. I remain your humble host, Becky Osaro. Many thanks for watching. Bye for now.